Welcome to this video on how to check your pupil list. Once you have logged on to the CYPMD portal and selected your school, you will have the opportunity to check your pupil CSV files. From this page, you can download a CSV file which contains your school's pupil details. In 2024, in some instances, when a CSV file was downloaded, it contained no data, which caused confusion for some schools. For 2025, if there is no data to share with a school, there will be no CSV file link displayed on the CYPMD portal. The CSV files available to you have been simplified to help you interpret your school data. You will now be able to download up to 2 CSV files. The pupil included CSV file will contain only pupils included in the calculation of your school or college performance measures. The pupil non-included CSV file will contain only pupils who are not included in performance measures but are recorded on your school or college's roll. We recommend you download copies of your CSV files before you request any pupil amendments. There is a 2025 June CSV file guidance document available on the CYPMD Help Centre, which explains what each field in the CSV file shows. If, once you have looked at your CSV files, your pupil list is correct and you don't have any pupils that you would like to request to include or remove, you don't need to take any further action and can sign out of the portal here. Or click Continue and the next video will show you how to request a pupil inclusion amendment.